Hello folks, my name is Chandler Anderson and I'm the owner and operator of Right Care Clinic. As many of you know, we have a walk-in clinic in front of Walmart at 2150 Brookmead Drive. Our clinic there thankfully has been successful for the last 4 years, and we have provided urgent care and primary care services in a combined setting there. Early this year in January, I decided it would be appropriate, because we've gotten so many primary care patients, to open a primary care office. Our primary care office is located in the Campbell Shopping Center, commonly known as the Kroger Plaza on James Campbell Boulevard. We're open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. We're closed on Thursday and Saturday and Sunday. We're also closed from 1 to 2 for lunch. I want to talk to you about primary care. Primary care is the cornerstone of a healthy patient. Your primary care provider should be someone that's dedicated to listening to your concerns and doesn't shy away when you come in with a list. I welcome people who come in with a list of concerns. I think it is the most crucial aspect of providing primary care to establish an effective patient-provider relationship. As many patients of mine can tell you, and we have some testimonials we'll be posting in the next couple of weeks, I listen to patients. One of the best pieces of advice that I learned in training was sit down, hush, and listen. Many people have forgotten that. If you sit down and listen to a patient as a provider, you can save tons of money for that patient. You don't have to order a bazillion tests to find out what's wrong with that patient. If you sit down and listen to them, 9 times out of 10, the patient will give you clues as to what's wrong with them. At Right Care Primary Care, we're dedicated to making sure every patient that comes through this door is getting the care they receive. Our appointment blocks are 30 minutes at a time. I don't think you'll find that at any other office in town. Our goal is not to see how many patients we can rush in the door and out the door in a day's time. Our goal at Right Care Primary Care is to see how many patients we can take care of effectively. I don't know how many of you are old enough to remember the Jerry Maguire movie, but oftentimes I compare our primary care practice to that movie. I would rather see less patients each day, but make sure the ones that are seen are taken care of in the best manner possible. That those people get the right care. At every visit, we'll go over your medicines. We'll go over any concerns you may have. And we'll make sure that you leave here with a plan as to how to make your health better. We also are incorporating occupational medicine. We're able to do workers' comp here. We're also doing pre-employment drug screens. And we've garnered many contracts with some of the local factories in order to do their workers' comp and drug screens, post-accident or DOT. Also, speaking of DOT, I will be one of the few providers in the Murray County area that are certified to do DOT exams. In the middle of May, you no longer can do a DOT exam unless you have a national certification. So that's another thing that we can offer you here at Right Care Primary Care. As well, we've incorporated ultrasound into our office here. Ultrasound is one of the best modalities as far as imaging goes to help find out what's wrong with the person. It's less expensive than CT. It certainly has less radiation, no radiation really. And we have a guy, David Woodard, that does them for us, and he's tremendous. He's patient oriented and he's focused on patient satisfaction like we are here at Right Care. I'm also pleased to announce that today I have secured the services of a counselor and potentially the whole group of counselors. We'll be making a bigger announcement at a later date, but we have merged with a pretty large group of counselors here in the Murray County area. These counselors are focused on helping patients be the best patient and person that they can. Depression, anxiety, attention deficit disorder, all of these things are treated not only with medication, but with counseling. They go hand in hand. If you're depressed, you have anxiety, and you've never seen a counselor to develop those coping skills to help prevent exacerbations of those, you need to come see us, because we can get you in with the counselor and we can get you on the way to a happier life and a better quality of life. I also would like to announce that we are establishing a headache clinic here at Right Care Primary Care. If you've had headaches and nobody can figure out what's causing them, make an appointment to come see us. We'll figure it out and we'll make sure that you get a better quality of life. Also, we're working with a dietitian to be able to provide nutritional services here. As many of you know, in January I went out to California to a weight loss hospital. I've lost 70 pounds simply on exchanges, doing the dietary exchanges that are healthy. No longer diabetic, no longer hypertensive, no longer with high cholesterol, simply from an appropriate diet. We have a dietitian that's coming on board, and very soon you'll see that announcement. As well, we are working to provide massage therapy services here. Many insurances cover them. We'll have competitive rates for the folks who don't have insurance that cover massages. That's a crucial part of pain control for many people with musculoskeletal injuries. Folks, we're adding on services daily here at Right Care Primary Care. I urge you to think about this. When was the last time you went to your primary care doctor, nurse practitioner, whomever, and they sat down with you in the room and talked to you about your health concerns? When was the last time you went to your primary care office and your doctor spent longer than 15 minutes with you? When was the last time you got the right care? When was the last time you were able to say, that person cares about me? That person is trying to make me have the best quality of life I can have. Folks, I urge you to make an appointment. Come see me. I'm open. A lot of times we can have same day appointments. Call our walk-in clinic at 931-840-8525 and have them schedule you an appointment and see what the right care can do for you.